everyone, this is Nikki from the design team, and today I'm going to be taking you through the new 6x6 paper pad called Creepy and Kooky. This is a great Halloween pad. So it's got lots of coordinating colors. It's the 6x6 size so that you can make lots of options. And it has a total of 12 patterns with 4 each of them. I really like that because I really love layering my Halloween cards. These are double-sided pieces of paper. So let me flip it over and I will show you some of these close up. If you haven't taken the time to do it yet, make sure you subscribe to the Cat Scrappiness channel. That helps us out and we appreciate it. The first one is what I think would be an amazing background. It's a glossy black with the swirls of orange. This one I'm going to flip around so you can see the right side of this pattern. I also love this dark gray with witches' hats, cats, skeletons, brooms. I mean, it's just got everything, and it's gonna look amazing with some of the new sprinkles and confetti mixes that are out. So this is candy corn on an orange background. I love candy corn, and one thing that this pad does, it has a lot of kind of opposite designs so that you could have an entire candy corn layered card. I'll show you the next candy corn one soon. But these are just some good Halloween fall colors. We've got a couple different colors of orange, some greens, purples, and that black mixed in, which really adds to layering for sure. So the next one, you can see the peak of that little candy corn one, but I love these spider webs. I like that this paper pad is on a glossy paper because it really makes the blacks very intense and they stand out great. So I would love to layer that candy corn with my orange one. The next page has some more colors to kind of add in that makes sense with those stars, with the dots that we've already seen, and then this light gray background for the bats up there. I think that would look great with some shakers, and we've got some batty shaker mixes that would look really cute with these bats behind it, but it'd also be just a great background to a scene. The link to this is going to be in the description of this video. If you're going shopping today, if you would click that link, it does help support me and it does not cost you anything. I would appreciate that so much. Okay, so you can see the sneak peek of another opposite here. I love this pattern here. It's just such a great Halloween pattern. It makes me think of clowns and all kinds of things that you could be. This is the opposite of those other spider webs. So it's a white background with the black spider webs, and you know we've already seen the black background with white spider webs. This candy pattern, oh my goodness. I am going to show you a card with this candy pattern at the end of this video. I think that this is just great. It's got so much color, and who doesn't love a bunch of candy on a card for Halloween? So we're through all of our patterns. I'm going to take you through the end of this pack just so you can get a quick glance at all these again, but they are great. So at the end of this, I'm going to show you what I made with that candy background, the purple candy background, and just show you that I made an infinity shaker with some of the new shaker pieces that are coming out. Kat has a ton of embellishments for Halloween, and they are so cute. So I hope you enjoyed this little paper pad. Let me show you my card. Okay, so here is my card. It is a full shaker, and or what people often call an infinity shaker, and just look how fun that is with that candy background. I just love this. I had so much fun being with you today. I hope that you got inspired by these fun new Halloween products. Make sure you check out some of the embellishments and click through links in the description. Thanks so much. Bye.